In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App the recipient's account is unable to accept payments. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. If you receive a message saying that the recipient's account is unable to accept payments on Cash App, it means there might be an issue with the recipient's account that is preventing them from receiving money. So first, you want to double check that you've entered the correct recipient details, such as their Cash App username, phone number, or email. Next is you want to ask the recipient to verify that their Cash App account is active and in good standing. So they can try logging in to see if they encounter any issues. So both you and the recipient should ensure that you are using the latest version of Cash App. So you want to go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and tap Update if available. Next is you want to check the recipient's account settings. So the recipient should ensure their account is properly set up to receive payments and that there are no restrictions or limitations in place. Next is you want to ask the recipient to check that their linked bank account or debit card is correctly connected and active. Also, if the recipient's identity is not verified, they may face restrictions on their account. So they should follow Cash App's verification process. So tell them to open their Cash App, tap the profile icon in the home screen, select Personal, and enter the necessary information such as the full name, date of birth, and social security number. So if the issue persists, either you or the recipient may need to contact Cash App support for further assistance. So to do this, just tap on the profile icon in the home screen, scroll down and select Cash Support, choose the appropriate issue or tap something else. Now follow the prompts to get in touch with support. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.